Hey everyone, let's talk about growing your wealth. We all want our money to work hard for us, right? That's where mutual funds come in. Imagine a basket filled with different stocks or bonds. That's a mutual fund. When you invest, your money buys a piece of this basket, letting you benefit from the growth of all those assets. It's like having a team of experts managing your money, even if you're just starting out. Pretty cool, huh? Investing in the stock market can seem daunting, especially for beginners. Mutual funds make it simple and accessible. They pool money from many investors to buy a diversified portfolio of stocks or bonds. This diversification helps spread your risk, which is crucial for long-term financial growth. With professional fund managers at the helm, you can relax knowing your investments are in capable hands. Mutual funds are like the superheroes of the investing world, making wealth building achievable for everyone. They offer a convenient and efficient way to participate in the stock market, even with limited capital. Whether you're saving for retirement, your dream home, or your child's education, mutual funds can be a valuable tool in your financial journey. Now, let's dive into 3 mutual funds that have been turning heads in India. Quant Small Cap Fund, SBI Small Cap Fund, and Axis Mid Cap Fund. Why are these funds so special? Well, they focus on specific segments of the market, offering the potential for high growth. Small cap funds invest in smaller companies, which might be lesser known but have the potential to grow rapidly. Mid-cap funds, on the other hand, focus on companies that are in a sweet spot, not too small, not too big. They offer a balance of growth potential and stability. These 3 funds have caught the attention of seasoned investors and beginners alike. Quant Small Cap Fund, known for its unique quantitative approach, has generated impressive returns. SBI Small Cap Fund, backed by the trusted name of SBI Mutual Fund, offers a reliable option for small cap exposure. And Axis Mid Cap Fund, a consistent performer in the mid-cap space, provides a balanced approach to growth. Let's compare their performance using CAGR, which stands for Compounded Annual Growth Rate. Think of it as the average yearly return you would have earned if you stayed invested. Remember, past performance doesn't guarantee future results, but it gives us a good idea of how the funds have performed. Quant Small Cap Fund. This fund has been a star performer, boasting impressive CAGRs. However, keep in mind that past performance is not indicative of future returns. SBI Small Cap Fund. This fund has also delivered strong returns, showcasing the potential of investing in smaller companies. Remember that investment involves risks, and past performance is not a guarantee of future returns. Axis Mid Cap Fund. This fund has consistently generated returns, highlighting the benefits of a diversified mid-cap approach. However, it's important to note that past performance is not indicative of future results. While all 3 funds have their strengths, it's essential to delve deeper into their track records. 1-year CAGR. This time frame gives us a glimpse of their recent performance. However, it's crucial to remember that short-term fluctuations are a part of market dynamics. 3-year CAGR. This time frame offers a broader perspective, taking into account market cycles and volatility. It provides a more comprehensive view of the fund's ability to navigate different market conditions. 5-year CAGR. This long-term view helps us assess the fund's consistency and ability to deliver sustainable returns over time. By analyzing the CAGRs across different timeframes, we can gain a more holistic understanding of each fund's performance characteristics. Section 5. Expense ratios, the tiny fees that matter. Now, let's talk about those tiny but mighty fees called expense ratios. These are charges for managing the fund, and they're deducted from your returns. Don't worry, they're usually small, but they can make a difference over time. Quant Small Cap Fund. This fund has a specific expense ratio. Remember that expense ratios are subject to change, so it's always best to check with the fund house for the latest information. SBI Small Cap Fund. This fund also has an expense ratio associated with it. Keep in mind that expense ratios can fluctuate, so it's advisable to verify the current rates from reliable sources. Axis Mid Cap Fund. Like all mutual funds, this fund comes with an expense ratio. Always refer to the fund fact sheet or consult with a financial advisor for the most up-to-date expense ratio information. Lower expense ratios mean more money in your pocket, so it's something to consider when choosing a fund. Portfolio turnover tells us how frequently the fund manager buys and sells stocks within the fund. A high turnover might mean higher trading costs, which can eat into your returns. Quant Small Cap Fund employs a specific portfolio turnover strategy. It's important to note that portfolio turnover can vary based on market conditions and the fund manager's investment approach. The SBI Small Cap Fund also has a defined portfolio turnover rate. Remember that portfolio turnover is a dynamic aspect of fund management and can fluctuate over time. Like other actively managed funds, Axis Mid Cap Fund has a particular portfolio turnover rate. Keep in mind that portfolio turnover is not a sole indicator of performance and should be considered in conjunction with other factors. Understanding a fund's portfolio turnover can provide insights into its investment style and potential for generating returns. So, which fund should you choose? Well, it depends on your risk appetite and investment goals. If you're comfortable with some ups and downs and are aiming for potentially higher returns, small cap funds like Quant Small Cap Fund or SBI Small Cap Fund might be a good fit. Remember that higher potential returns come with higher risks. If you prefer a balance of growth and stability, Axis Mid Cap Fund's focus on mid-cap companies could be suitable. It's important to note that mid-cap funds fall somewhere between small-cap and large-cap funds in terms of risk and potential returns. For long-term goals like retirement, consistent performers like Axis Mid-Cap Fund might be a good choice. Remember that long-term investing requires patience and a disciplined approach. It's always best to consult with a financial advisor to determine the best investment strategy for your individual needs. We're almost at the end of our mutual fund adventure, but hold on tight because something incredible awaits. By sticking with me till the very end, you've unlocked a chance to win a reward worth a whopping 21,000 rupees. That's right, your dedication to learning about mutual funds could pay off big time. Imagine what you could do with an extra 21,000 rupees. Invest it wisely, treat yourself to something special, or save it for a rainy day. The possibilities are endless. But first, let's find out how you can claim your prize. I'm also giving away 10 powerful financial calculators absolutely free. These calculators will be your secret weapon in making smart financial decisions. Want to calculate your loan EMI, plan your retirement, or figure out how much to invest? These calculators have got you covered. To claim your reward and get your hands on these incredible calculators, simply take a screenshot of this article right now while reading this line. Then send me the screenshot on WhatsApp. It's that easy. Don't miss out on this amazing opportunity to boost your financial journey. Take action now, and let's make your financial dreams a reality.